Auto-click advertisement task setting. Add modules. First, add account module. Then, add click ads module. I need to insert a URL module. Or you can use the search module. Search video by subscriptions module. Get the channel's video module as video source. I input one video link here. Select the URL module. Select account. Page browsing settings. Means view ad setting. Stay video page time means after the software click the ads, will view the video. Click Run to start. This is the debug window. This is advertisement. The software is browsing the advertisement. View videos. That's all. Thanks for watching.